Hi guys, today we talk about how can you switch to business account on your TikTok app, or you go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, so just click here on settings and privacy here, then it's going to take you here in this list, then you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you here in this list, and you just click here on switch to business account. So then it's going to take you here in this list, then you just click here on next. Then it's going to take you to change your account business on your or add your account business on your TikTok app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.